How to repost the story on Instagram if tagged. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see if someone has tagged you in a story, then you'll be able to receive the notifications via DM. So tap on the DM section at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the contacts or the profile. So here you can see if someone has mentioned or tagged you in the story, you'll be able to see this option of add to your story feature. So tap on it. So tap on the story and then tap on add to your story over here. And then you can just tap on it to select whichever layout you would want. You can make necessary comments or reactions over here and then just share it on your story by tapping on your story, and you'll be able to repost the story on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.